Hello guys, welcome back to Omoge Vlog TV. If this is your first time coming, please consider subscribing. Turn on the notifications for more updates. On today's video, we're going to look at I wish I had 100 subscribers. On this video, like when I started way back, you realize that I was maybe boring, like doing videos, the manner in which I speak, on certain clips, like I wasn't really even happy. It was really extreme awkward, like replies what I get. A lot of people would tell me like increase your energy, things like this. So after like getting 100 subscribers, like what I would do is this. First thing, I will plan myself, like know exactly what I'm supposed to produce. Some people come to this platform without actually having the plan of what they are supposed to do. Sit a day and write down exactly your purpose of creating a YouTube channel. People have this mentality that because now they are monetized, they can no longer support the ones that are coming up. Let me tell you that is doing this. Please, it is extreme bad. Keep supporting. If you have this spirit at a level of 2,000 subscribers that you will not support the ones that are coming up to be like you, let me tell you, even when you will be at 100,000 subscribers, you will not have this supportive spirit. So I encourage each person, when you are a little bit step ahead, keep the support going. Don't relent the effort. It takes nothing to support each other. I always encourage in any video I drop. This is my spirit that I encourage. I interact with different YouTubers, no matter the ethnic group. I interact and I support them genuinely with the love I have in my heart. If you are making a lot of mistakes, I'm not also perfect, but I will make sure I tell you, I contact you to outline what I'm seeing you are doing that isn't right. So this is one thing. If I had 100 subscribers, so let's go to another point. 100 subscribers, this is another thing that I would do. I would join communities. For example, I don't have community because here in Saudi Arabia you cannot turn on that button, is not working. So that is a reason you cannot see me having a community like on YouTube. Like you see, join community so that you can build yourself in a community. It will help you to grow because they will always be there to check out of you. So since when I realized that I don't have this community button, I had to create this forum, like this small group that I'm having, where we discuss everything, where we support each other. So find yourself like to join, other groups that will help you along your journey on this platform. So this is another vital point that I want to point out to everybody still growing. Don't see yourself like you have grown because being a big YouTuber, it is not by name. People identified you as being big based on what they are observing. It mustn't really be on the views, how engaging you are, how you have impact a lot of people. People should be proud of you that no, I am where I am. This person supported me in one way or the other. This is how you do. Be appreciative. If you had 100 subscribers. So let's go to another point. Check all my platform, my social media platform, to see that I have faithful people that will share my work out. This is a mistake that we're doing even right now. Some people drop videos like they don't even care how to share out their content. They will tell you that no, I don't have me time to share out videos. Like I don't just share out videos, I just drop the videos and allow on YouTube. You might be thinking because you're having little views on what you are doing. Let me make you understand this. The more your videos are going viral, you share out, you might gain 1, 2, 3 subscribers. Yes, not even that, 1 or 2 people will click to that link. It is benefiting you. Though you might see it like people that share out videos, they are this small. Don't develop that self-pride in you. Avoid pride. Pride is one thing that kills when you develop this concept, like you will not like to share out videos. I realized certain time, like I was sharing videos to people's inbox, but sometimes it's boring, like to share sometimes, what you should share to someone's inbox should be what will benefit the person. Don't take some video ideas you share to people that are not YouTubers. So on one video I dropped, I think this was an essential point which I outlined on this video. So that is another thing I would do if I had 100 subscribers. People might be wondering why this content. This content is just to enlighten you that no matter how small you are, you can still make it. From 100 subscribers I'm talking, maybe in few weeks to come, you'll be talking of thousands. I know of people here, I think just about 1-2 months ago, where they came to me with just 20-30 subscribers. To be truthful, they had those strategies we spoke about. Today, they are celebrating. So it is very easy. And I also have channels with 2,000 subscribers here that I don't know if they actually took their time to write down what they are supposed to produce on YouTube. They are not doing anything. I have one channel which I will personally drop a video because of this person and outline what the person is doing. How can you imagine a content creator will just sleep in his bed and do a video and record as he's sleeping and come and post on a YouTube channel? What will I benefit if I watch such a video? You are monetized, but you are still doing silent live streams. You take your phone and allow live stream. Nobody is watching you. What are you educating? I believe that this was happening when you were still looking for watch hours. You are now monetized. You are still doing this. There is a particular YouTuber that is, I think, based in Italy. Is surely a Nigerian that I'm going to address her on a video that will be pushing straight to her. These are mistakes that a lot of people keep making. You tell me this person will be the one to discourage you, to tell you that YouTube is, you cannot make money. I'm monetized. I could not make money simply because of these things. If you don't understand this concept, you realize that there will be nothing you can make on this platform. You need to develop strategies that fetch you money. So we should step up our games. You are now monetized. Like the impression you had before monetization, after now you are monetized, you now see you are having different type of impression. Like that time you thought that immediately you are monetized, you just come to YouTube and see money in your account. This is one thing that I know of people that came to my inbox and I'm monetized, I've not even seen any franc. I told them that what you are doing before monetization is really no work. The real work starts after monetization, because if you don't have those concepts, like to continue dropping videos, like people to watch you after monetization, you will stay on this platform for the next 10 years. You'll not be proud of a single dollar you have made. So you might have skills now. Preserve some of those skills after monetization, so that you will bring out the skills. Some people possess, they'll possess all the characteristics before monetization. When they monetize now, they don't have content again to post. They'll be now doing nonsense, and people will now be going away. Those subscribers, because to maintain subscriber on your channel is one difficult thing that people don't understand. Having just 100 people, so you need to be satisfied that 100. They are your people, so you have to do what they like. So this is one thing I wish, if I had 100 subscribers, I would do. And another aspect is this. People, you are monetized. You have this share button. You cannot share out people's video. Try to share out people's video so that if I share out their video, at least 5-10 people watch that video. When you do this, others see, and they will adapt to also share out your videos. Having 100 subscribers, it will instead make you feel like, people used to celebrate 100 subscribers. But when people realize this sub-for-sub stuff, they now look at 100 subscribers as nothing. Celebrate your 100 subscribers if you are to gain naturally. It is dangerous, sub-for-sub. Like this channel I'm talking here is having 2,800 subscribers, but if you look at the views on those videos, let me tell you, you'll be very discouraged. So wait for the next episode. Thank you. God bless you all.